Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of adding multiple quantities to a listing on eBay. Whether you're a seasoned eBay seller or just starting out, this tutorial will help you enhance your eBay selling strategy by efficiently managing your inventory. If you're new to eBay, now is a great time to set up your account. You can easily sign up by clicking the option to continue with your Facebook, Google, or Apple account. Alternatively, you can choose to create an account from scratch. Simply select whether you want a personal or business account and provide your full legal name, email address, and a strong password. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click the Create button to get started. After your account is set up, head over to your seller dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your eBay sales. Once there, navigate to the Selling Overview section. Here, you can manage your active and sold items, as well as your draft listings. To add multiple quantities to a listing, locate the draft listing you want to update. Click on it to begin editing. It's important to set the listing to a fixed price format, as this allows you to specify the number of items available for sale. Click on Buy It Now to switch to a fixed price format. This might take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll be able to continue. Selling items at a fixed price on eBay is an excellent strategy, as it enables you to list multiple identical items under one listing. If your products come in different variations, such as various colors or sizes, you can still create a single fixed price listing that encompasses all these options. This is a great way to streamline your inventory and make it easier for buyers to choose their preferred variations. Now, enter the quantity of items you want to list. For example, you could enter 15 or 20, depending on your available stock. eBay will automatically keep track of how many items you have sold and will end the listing once your inventory runs out, unless you have enabled the out-of-stock option. And there you have it. You've successfully added multiple quantities to your eBay listing. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your eBay listings more efficiently. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful eBay selling tips, and we'll see you in the next video.